Hello everyone, this is Dan from tasco.com, and in this video I'm going to make a quick demo on how to set up a progress bar and a countdown with Divi in a custom page and also on the product page. So first of all, you want to have the raffle set up. You want to have uh, a limited number of raffle tickets, which I have here, and then I'm gonna have a start date and end date, which is all good for the countdown and the progress bar. So now I'm gonna jump into one of the pages here, and I'll be creating it with Divi, and to display it, I'll add a new row, and for this example, I'm gonna create a 3 column row, and in here, I'm gonna say products. Card products. No, what I want products. This is the one that I want. All right. So I'll add it. And what I want from here, I want a specific product. All right. Uh, what I'm gonna be looking for, I'll be looking for product category, and I'll be displaying one product, which is this one, and it's gonna be a car raffle. All right. Save, and this is how it's gonna be displaying. If I click save, the countdown doesn't show here at the top, and the reason is that Divi I think is not showing it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this part here, create a new tab, and see how is that gonna be displaying. So this is how it's gonna be displaying. You have the countdown here, and we have the progress bar at the bottom. But now, how we're gonna add to cart? So we go back and we say look for a module called add to cart. Add to cart. All right. And latest products. No, we want add to cart raffle product. No, what is that? Oh, raffle. This one. All right. And save it. So what Divi does here is grabbing some components from the product page. All right. And is displaying in this, I would say, content or column. I would say more like a content. All right. So but it's grabbing specific places or locations from product page and it's displaying them. Okay, and this is very similar as the product page. I know it's a bit confusing for non-developers. Okay, so that's why this is showing here. The progress bar is showing in both locations. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do here, I'm going to hide this one, the progress bar in the one at the top. So the way I would do it, I would go here and go advanced, and I will give it a an ID, and I would say card raffle car car. Okay, copy that, save, and I will go to the team, and down here I already did this example. So I would put this CSS into the theme, car raffle car, and then this code progress and display none. So that's not going to be displaying anymore. What is it? Here, refresh it, and it's not displaying. And the reason is probably didn't save it. Oops, what am I? Did I save it? Save. All right, so now it's hidden, and I have add to cart, and I have the progress bar, all working fine. All right, so this is how I actually displayed. If you have multiple uh, products, display them in a single row with uh, in a single row, multiple products. Yeah, I think you have to select the number of products that you want to display. And now let's say we want to view the product, and in here, this part I did some customization. I'll go back here, and this is how it's actually looking. So if I look back to my example, here is displaying at the top and at the bottom, right? So if I'm gonna remove it from the top and leave the one at the bottom, refresh it, and the one at the top is gone. If I want to change the location, so oops, let's say I want to put it back in, but in different location. The reason is displaying there. So the way we do it, add here, add to cart, these products, save it, and add to cart. All right, and update. As I was saying earlier, this is the component that Divi is using to display in the custom page. Okay, so right. So now if I want to hide it, I'll have to use the show progress bar in the product page. Okay, this is not going to be working because, as I was saying earlier, Divi is not using cards uh, add to cart or any other components. They use the components from from the product page. Okay, so if I save it and I go back in here now, now it's going to be hidden. Okay, as I was saying earlier, save it. So you can actually display add to cart or anything like that anywhere in the any pages with Divi, just using the components, but you have to use the U components, all right, which Divi uses to display products and other parts in it. Okay, so this is how you actually do it to display with Divi. I hope it makes sense. If not, just you can send me an email and I'll come back to you. All right, thank you very much. See ya.